me, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics. Today I am going to take a case study problem on functions. My problem is let x is equal to 1, 2, 3 and f, g, h and s be the functions from x to x, which is given by f is equal to 1, 2, 2, 3 and 3, 1. And my g function is 1, 2, 2, 1 and 3, 3. My problem is I have to calculate the value of f composition g, g composition f and f composition f and g composition g. Now I am going to take the values of the f. F of 1 is equal to 2. The image of 1 answer is 2. So f of 1 is equal to 2. Similarly, f of 2 is equal to, what is the value of f of 2? 3. Then f of 3 is equal to 1. Next. Similarly, we are going to write the value of g. G of 1 is equal to 2. G of 2 is equal to 1. And g of 3 is equal to 3. To find the composition of f composition g, we have to calculate it for 3 values. F composition g of 1, f composition g of 2 and f composition g of 3. So my first value is f composition g of 1. That is equal to f composition g of 1. So we know the value of g of 1. What is the value of g of 1? 2. So f of 2. What is the value of f of 2? 3. So my answer is 1, 3. We have to measure the value of image and our pre-image. Clear? Next, f composition g of 2. That is equal to f of g of 2. What is the value of g of 2? 1. So f of 1 is equal to, what is the value of f of 1? 2. So my answer is 2, 2. Clear? Next, f composition g of 3. That is equal to f of g of 3. That is equal to f of, what is the value of g of 3? 3. So f of 3 is equal to 1. So my answer is 3, 1. Now I am going to combine my answers. So my composition value, that is f composition g is equal to, my answers are, my first answer is 1, 3 and my second answer is 2, 2 and my third answer is 3, 1. Clear? Similarly, we are going to calculate it for g composition f. So to compute g composition f, we have to calculate it for 3 values. So g composition f of 1. This can be written as g of f of 1. What is the value of f of 1? 2. So g of 2. What is the value of g of 2? 1. So my answer is 1, 1. And my second value, g composition f of 2 is equal to g of f of 2. What is the value of f of 2 is? 3. G of 3 is equal to 3, which implies my answer is 2, 3. My third value, g composition f of 3 is equal to g of f of 3. What is the value of f of 3? 1. F of 3 is 1. So g of 1. What is the value of g of 1? 2. So my answer is 3, 2. Finally, we have to write our composition value in an order. So my answer is g composition f is equal to 1, 1, 2, 3 and 3, 2. Clear? Similarly, we have to calculate the composition value for f composition f, g composition g. For the f composition f, you have to calculate it for f composition f of 1, f composition f of 2, f composition f of 3. And we have to conclude our f composition f of 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. And for the final g composition g, we have to calculate the value of G composition G of 1, G composition G of 2, G composition G of 3. Finally, we have to conclude our answer. Okay? Thank you.